This is what cleared about 99% of my acne scars. If I have a before picture to insert here, I will gladly show you guys. I dealt with really severe chronic cystic acne for a good few years of my life. And the best thing I ever did for my skin, this right here, microneedling. So yeah, I've been using Banish for a very, very long time, about 8 or 9 years. And it's helped my acne so much. It's helped my scarring so much. Banish sells 3 different needle lengths, right? So we have the 0.25, which is really good for your under eyes and your lips. The 0.5 can be used all over your face weekly. And then the 1.0, which if I can show you guys this, I don't know if you can see them in there, but they're pretty long. This is for deeper areas of scarring, body acne scars. Again, if you're using the 1.0 on your face, it's only once a month because it's a more intensive treatment than the 0.5 or the 0.25. And so basically how I start is I will kind of pull my skin tight like this. I'm just looking because I do have a couple actives. You never want to microneedle over active acne, by the way, because that will spread it. So I'm just going to stamp down, and then what I'll do is I'll pull up, turn it, and then stamp down again. And I'll do that 4 times in the same spot. Just like that. So yeah, I've been using Banish for a very, very long time, about 8 or 9 years. And it's helped my acne so much. It's helped my scarring so much. But most of all, I feel like Banish has helped my mental health and my confidence. And I'm so happy that I found them all those years ago, because I have tried so many different things for my acne scars. I feel like microneedling is just, it's that girl. It's the thing that works the best for me, for my skin type. So there will be a little bit of redness afterwards. And a lot of people ask me like if it hurts or if it feels weird, or what's it feel like. I always recommend trying on like your hand or the back of your arm or something. That way you kind of get a feeling, you like know what it's gonna feel like ish going in. But no, I don't think it hurts at all. It feels totally fine. With the Banish Serum. Oh, whoops. There we go. Banish Serum. Ta-da! Okay guys, that's it for me tonight, and I'm gonna be going to bed like this, like a glazed up donut. So I will see you in the morning.
Okay, so I just woke up and this is what my skin looks like. As you continue to microneedle, the results just get better and better.